And I'm back with another one. Oh, yeah, I'm back, you guys. I'm back with another one to add to my collection of the dice. Yes, the Grand Magi cubes. Yes, I have all the star information laid out right here. Here is your high die. Here is heaven, 55. I got some stuff laid out here. Did you know that just this alone is pig? Right there, this alone is pig. I'm going to show you that. We've shown before how the die shows you the chief, the CHIEF, who is the head for the chef. Yes, this is the chief is concerning the chef cube, which is right here for your god head that comes from the die, the grand template that is connected to your grand pyramid. Yes, we are gematria wizards here. I'm playing with my high die. That is the high res. This is why you have the reservation for the chief, you guys. It's high res. High resolution. It is the solution. The resolution. It is the dice, the cube of revelation that gives us relevation. Yes, where we go higher because this is the H and the I. This is as high as it gets for Saturn's square die. It connects directly to your sun. Okay, this is the heaven cube, you guys, because 55 in gematria equals heaven. Okay, so we're in heaven. This is also concerning the high bear, okay, for the polar bears, which is concerning the rotation. Here is your grand pole rotation, you guys. You might recognize this as your swastika, but this is concerning the polar bears, the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, the Big Bear and Little Bear. And we know in Aquarius, the bears hibernate. This is why you will find a high bear in 8 for October as well that is coming up. Oct O BEAR. Yes, the bears are a part of the calendar, you guys. You've got September, Oct O BEAR, November, and December. You've got the bears right there. I also wanted to point out, since I've been talking about the head of the house, or the HO, the HO for the ho ho ho, HO is for pig. We've talked about that with the math several times. But HO is the head operator. The head operator of what? The head operator of the electric. Yes, and you will find your HO right here, friend. The hoe is dealing in the spoons. It's dealing in the spade of ace. The shovel and the hoe work together for the grand operator. Right there, you will find your grand hoe. This is a hoe, you guys, right here that digs. This is where the tiller comes from because it's dealing in the till. It's dealing in the money sign for the do, re, mi. Yes, it's dealing in pi. And this is where your pig comes into play because pi is right here in pig with your god. Pig is concerning the pi god that is you, that is on. You are the little piggy that is on. Now I'm going to show you how this cube of heaven, cube of revelation, shows you pig right here. Right here is pig. Pig in your alphabet, you must know P. Let me see if you can see it right here. Okay, because I'm teaching you the codes, you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn this around and I'll teach you the codes here. Okay, you see this P right here? You see how P is 11? P is in the reverse alphabet, L even. P is also 16. P being 16, when you write P like this, you'll see P 16. See how that kind of just like the word pig? See how when I put them together, you got pig and you got pig right here. Okay, likewise, this is 16. This is a 1 and 6. I'm going to show you. Here's your pig right here. P, 1, 6. 16P for pig. Or you could get to pig this way. You could go P, I, and G, because this is 7, and 7 is G. 7 is also G, and in the reverse alphabet, 7 becomes 20. 20 becomes G for your God of time. Then you got your 5, 10, 15, 20, which is your T, time for 20, for Alice. Alice is on ice as long as she's in the black cube, you guys, because Saturn is concerning the rings of ice. Likewise, when you bring Alice into the birth of the sun for your BEARTH and your 54 sun house, which you're in the sun house right now. Look at the glorious sun today. Yes, it is shining on me. When you're birthed into heaven, you're birthed into the sun. Likewise, you're in heaven right now because we're in the sun. A lot of people only want to show you this cube, though. Yeah, because they want you to be locked out. They don't want you to know about this place being heaven, where you're at, operating as the head operator of electric. Okay, so this is my Mag Ice Cube. This is my pig code today to show you just how this alone is pig right here. Pig. Pig, 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 pig right here.